Hello everyone, in this video we are going to install Visual Studio Code on a MacBook. So I'm going to go ahead and open the internet and I'm going to type in Visual Studio Code. I think I'm actually not connected to the internet. Okay, so we'll type in Visual Studio Code. We'll head over to that website. Okay, and then download Mac Universal or whatever download button is available. Do you want to allow downloads? Yes. Okay, so now it's downloading. Okay, so it's been downloaded. We can go to our downloads folder now. So Finder, downloads, and a Visual Studio Code. So I'm going to double click it. Is an app. Are you sure you want to open it? Oh, okay, actually, we need to just drag and drop it into our applications. So I'm going to open a new Finder window. I'm surprised they did it that way, but oh well. Okay, so I got two Finder windows, applications, just gonna drag and drop. And okay, so I was having an issue with the downloads folder not like letting me drag and drop. So I added it back to this by doing Command Shift H in the Finder and dragging the downloads to the side of the trash can, and that for some reason allows me to download or move the application from the downloads to the applications folder. So now if I click applications and find Visual Studio Code, I can gently drag and drop and I have it here. So now I should be able to open up Visual Studio Code from the applications folder. And let's test to make sure that you can actually open folders, because I remember there was a setting when you installed it on Windows, so I don't know how to do that. Open. Okay, I have no idea if this is going to work, so I'm going to give it a try on screen because I don't know if I'm going to be able to undo it. So if you go to Apple, the problem that I'm facing is I can't right click and open with like a folder. I can't open with the text editor. So there's this tool called Automator. If you double click on it, you can choose a type for your document, which would be quick action is what we're hopefully looking for. So I'm going to choose a quick action to create. And then here in this area, you can choose what type of, like, I guess, more specific type of quick action. So I'm going to click Files and Folder. And then there is Open Finder Items that you can click here. So I double click it apparently, and then open with, and the default application is not quite what we're looking for. And a VSCode isn't showing up here, only like text edit. So I think you can click Other, and then you can choose any application. So I'm going to choose Visual Studio Code. Okay. And I don't know where to go from here in any application. So maybe, hopefully there's a way to save. I don't know. Maybe if I hit run. Okay, maybe file save. Save quick action as, I don't know, open with VSCode. Save. Okay, so maybe we can close it out now. I'm gonna shrink everything down, right click, open. That did not work. Okay, right click, quick action, open with VSCode. Okay, cool. That is as close as I'm willing to. I don't want to research this all day. Okay, and according to the website, there's a quick, easy way to add the code command to the path by just typing in Command Shift P and then find the install code command. So we're going to go to our text editor, Command Shift P, and then I type in shell, and then there should be this install code command in path. Code will now prompt with a script for administrator privileges to install the shell command. Okay. So then you enter your password, hit OK. Okay, successfully installed in path. So that should allow us to open the terminal and type in code dot, and we can open up the entire, whatever folder you were in. So you'll get these permissions requests. Would like to access files in your desktop folder. I'll hit OK. OK. Okay, well, I probably shouldn't have opened it in whatever folder I opened it in. But anyway, let's check. Yes, I trust the authors. And there we are. We have a Visual Studio Code installed. And now you can open up any folder or file with the code command in the terminal. And that's it for installing VS Code on a Mac. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell to be notified when we release new tutorials. Also be sure to like the video and leave a comment to let us know what you think. Lastly, check out the link or links in the description. We usually create a blog post to go with the tutorial, and we might have a newsletter or course or something to check out as well. Have a good day, and I'll see you next time.